Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look. If you want to achieve this look, stay tuned for the video. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be using is the Smoky Mirror Soft Glam, and I'm going to be using the color Beige. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Pure Beige Concealer to do my cut crease. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pat in that concealer. Next, I'm going to be using my All Eyes palette, and I'm going to be using this tan color that matches my concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go back into my soft glam palette and apply beige onto the ends of my cut crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my primer and my foundation. Now that I put on my foundation and my primer, I'm going to go ahead and start contouring by putting on my concealer. Okay, I blended out my concealer. Now to go ahead and apply my contour cream. going to go ahead and apply my banana setting powder, followed behind my earth setting powder. Alright, so now I'm going to let that setting powder sit while I go ahead and apply my eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off some of that setting powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead in my Juvia's palette and go into the color Kano and go over where I contoured. Okay, so now I'm going to use Angelic and apply that to the corner of my eyes. And now it's time to do my favorite lip combo that I always do. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply my RK by Kiss Ibling liquid eyeliner in the color Gold, followed behind with my lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my white eyeliner on my water lash line just to help bring my eyes out a little. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in just a little bit of my black eyeliner. And now for the finishing touch, I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlighter. And here's the finishing look of the soft glam. I hope you guys really and truly enjoyed this video. I will be listing everything down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!